guys, what's going on? Dave Walpo here. So we know that the internet is filled with trolls. Some people love it, some people just hate those guys. But you know what? There's a new video out there that shows that there may be a logical explanation to why trolls are trolling. Speaking of it, let me get your thoughts on trolling. Put it all down there in the comments below, and hey, if you want to troll it, feel free. If I say troll one more time, I'm gonna kill myself. So there's a study going around, and researchers found out that 5.6% of people will identify as being a troll. Freak, I said it again. Now these scientists looked at 1,200 individuals online and found some interesting traits related to these type of people. Some of the traits are things like narcissism, psychopathy, which is a personality disorder that's linked to antisocial behavior. And of course, trolls also apparently have sadism in their character traits. Yeah, to be honest, I could kind of see that happening because they get the pleasure of making people feel bad, and that makes them, you know, feel really good about themselves. Because this is the thing, sadists out there, they feel like they get a reward when they kick people down. And that's the problem with all these trolls. Now there is speculation online, people always say it, well, people say things online that they wouldn't normally say in the real world. Well, that's actually not true because scientists are sitting there going, well, wait a minute, actually, what these guys are doing online is a reflection of their daily life and their actions. However, the internet is good for giving these people breathing room to do what they do. And the funny thing is about trolls is they are the ones that comment the most. And they oddly enough get the most replies. Because what happens is other people who aren't trolls get emotionally charged over this and fire back. Downside is you're feeding the trolls. So if you guys don't want these trolls, best thing to do, just ignore them until they, well, go away. Either way, let me know your thoughts on it down there. Let me know one of the worst times you've ever been trolled online. But thanks for watching, guys. This has been IO. I've been Dave Walpo, and of course, hit that subscribe button if you like our stuff. Also, boom, check out our other videos. And guys, if you want to contact me directly, head on over to my Instagram, leave a comment. I will be replying because that's where I get in touch with you guys too. Anyways, guys, keep it real, keep it classy, keep it on the flip side out there in the troll-free world. Wouldn't that be nice?